so that is officially mine now. इसलिए इतना छोटा सा गिफ्ट दिया है मुझे. हाँ? फ्री में है इसलिए छोटा सा मिला. But thank you so much and congratulations on launching this website. Well, internet is, everyone knows, is I think one of the biggest platforms today. And I'm really happy that one of my brands and one of something that I believe in has launched an online shopping thing. I think every woman wants to shop, and especially घर बैठे बैठे अगर कुछ चीज़ मिल जाए, I think there's nothing better than that. मैं खुद ही बहुत ही online shopping करती हूँ, and definitely I would love to shop on the Malabar Gold and Diamond site, but as long as the bill is being paid by someone else and not me. But lovely jewels for sale. Also, I'd like to take this opportunity in telling everyone that it's actually one of the best brands I endorse. Not because it stands for, of course, elegance and being traditional at the same time, which I think I am, I believe a lot in tradition, and so does Malabar Gold and Diamonds. It's also one of the best brands because the way they shoot me, जिस तरह से ads बनाते हैं, जिस तरह के हम लोग photo shoots करते हैं, I have so much fun doing them, and that's why I think I look so good and look so fresh and beautiful. So I'd like to take this opportunity to thank all of you all for always putting the best into most of my shoots. I think that aajkal today everything from clothes to shoes, people are buying shoes. Shoes also you have to try, but people are buying that online. And this is something that I think all women, even at home, working women sometimes find it impossible to go to stores and pick up things. Today women are working. They rather, be at home. Sometimes even family people, बच्चे को छोड़ के कहीं जा नहीं सकते कुछ लेने. So it's easier that at home, you can just sit online and order something and it'll look beautiful.
Kareena, shoes.
Well, I think ever since I started earning my first paycheck, I think that's the time jewelry was my best friend. And I think that's the case with most women. Jewelry छोटा हो या बड़ा, I think just the fact that बहुत simple सा है, जैसे मुझे gift मिला है, I just joked that it was a small one, but even that looks elegant sometimes. Jewelry is just something, gold, diamonds is something that women, they take as a pride to wear. I think it's just, you feel very proud as a woman when you wear something. If something you buy from your first paycheck as a woman, that also is a pride.